What's up, guys? Today we're in Manila, Philippines, the less busier part of BGC without tourists. This is more of the, I guess, business district that's right near St. Luke's Medical Center, right across over there. And there's all these like Jollibees and stuff. This place right here, I forgot the name of it, but it's like BGC one-stop center. We're gonna go ahead and have some Samgyupsal with the fam bam. We're gonna go ahead and try to find this spot. It should be the second floor. But yeah, come with and let's go have some good chow. And a cool place that you could come to if you're here. The cool thing about this spot is it isn't as busy as all the other spots in BGC. This is more chill. This place used to have more like restaurants and all that stuff, but I guess now it became a little bit more chill. And yeah, this is more with a lot of the people that work at call centers and again, like I said, the business district here in BGC. It's really clear nearby St. Luke's. So if you're here staying in BGC or Manila and you're staying in St. Luke's for I guess a medical checkup, and you do kind of want to get some Samgyupsal, this is the place to go. It's called Samgyupsal Premier, the Premier. And there's also Genki Sushi. But yeah, come with and I'll show you how it is to have Samgyupsal here in BGC, Manila, Philippines. Let's go. Right there is called Premier the Samgyupsal. Premier the Samgyupsal. Yeah, this is the restaurant. Let's go check it out.
Hello guys.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog.
Hello.
This cool like wash area here. That's cool. And then they're dining, all of these vents and stuff. And then they even have this. So I'm guessing this is the menu and what you can pick all day promo. These are the prices that you can get here. Like there's like 9 kinds of meat. All of this stuff right here. No leftover, no takeout. Right there, cool stuff. You. We got Kuya Eric up in the house. I got out the side. She's joining us for this vlog. And all the other fam bam. We're waiting for more. There's Aya over there doing her school. And this is the Samgyupsal 24/7. Premier Samgyupsal.
BGC stopover.
This is at the size recommendation of this spot in BGC Manila. Look at all the chow. Look at all the meats that they put. We're gonna go ahead and grill some up. Let's go eat. All right, they have so much bochan. Look like some soup. This looks like an egg souffle, some fried tofu, potato balls, of course the dips. That one looks like a carrot. Some this is tteokbokki, fish cakes. There's some lettuce, and this is the spread that they have. It looks like this is pork. And you got some beef, and then more pork, and then spam. I think that's cheese and garlic, and all these other meats. Look at that. And also, this is where you pull out on the side. There's the scissors, there's tongs and spoons, forks, and I'm not sure what this is. Water or tea?
That's red iced tea.
Red iced tea. It's probably gonna be really sweet. One thing you're gonna notice in the Philippines is every tea that you're gonna have is going to be very sweet, like super sweet. And then you got the fire grill going and this hose, the exhaust hose.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, there's even more sides over here. Looks like some kalbi tang soup, some mayonnaise and sure cucumber, pickled radish, sesame seed, salad, and all more sauces. Yeah, what's this one, Mikhail? Tea? Okay.
That is gonna be here.
And they already started grilling their meats. Look at that. Got Chef Eric over here. Yep. Grilling his thing.
Ano yung bag niya? Dito mo.
And they just dropped off another tray of beef and pork. Woo. Look at that. We got so much meat going off over here. We're gonna go ahead and grill some stuff up. Let's go through this. Oh, that fire is going. This is something we don't have on Guam. A nice Korean Samgyupsal spot. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is like with charcoal and propane that they use to cook this Samgyupsal. Let's get a bite of this. Look at that. Didn't have a good, I don't know what it is. Lettuce wrap. See how that tastes. I'm gonna go try this pork that they have here, but I'm gonna put it with the sauce. Wow. Great marinade. I think this is... Thank you. I think this is tofu. Oh. It's like a sweet and sour tofu. This is what I want to try. Is the soup. This one looked like a... Oh, this is their kimchi jjigae. Kimchi jjigae. Ooh, it's good. The secret to kimchi jjigae is actually having really, really old kimchi, like fermented, to make it really have that little spike taste. This one's not that crazy, it's still fresh. But you can see the kimchi. Yeah. Pretty good kimchi jjigae. More saltier than sweet. That's a good one. Alright. We got some pork belly, some tofu, and some beef. And we mix it up with this bean sprout. We're gonna dip it onto this bad boy. Make a wrap right over here. Ooh. With this lettuce. This is a crazy lettuce wrap. The sesame seed, I think that's soy. Let's give this one bite.
Saka fish cake pa din dito.
I need it with some kimchi.
Saka yung makapal na pork.
Cheese ba? Kamusta cheese nyo?
Meron pa naman po.
Really great. I love this place. 24/7 as well. Yeah. This one is like a fluffy egg. I'm not sure what. That's a big egg. Oops. Tastes like egg. Huh? Oh. Kaya joined after class. They gave us another tray of meat. Look at that. Tons of meat. Hardworking student over there. And then they replaced the thing, and there is like holes over there. That's pretty cool.
Kimchi daw din po. Kimchi po ano.
And they gave us a big chunk of Sangyupsal. That's cool. And more rice. And they keep it coming, man. It is a fiesta here at the Samgyupsal premiere of the Samgyupsal. Wild, look at that.
That's a kalbi.
Yeah, it is kalbi.
Oh
my god. This might have been
Kuya?
now the best Samgyupsal I've ever eaten here in the Philippines.
Thank you. Ito natin lagyan.
Wow.
Sino pa mo ng drink? Oh, drink. Ate, bakman. Wala din ako. Ayan din, dalawa-dalawa. Ano lang? Paluto na tong ano mo? Chicken.
Leave that bee right there. Yeah. Mm.
So, thank you.
There is more food coming. Crazy. We don't have space for that on the grill. Just throw it on here. Yeah. They even have some salt and pepper. And with sesame seed oil over here. This is like the 6th plate of meat. Holy shit. You guys are lugi to us.
Ay, hindi pala kain.
Mukbang pamor. Yeah. We're still going. No, I gotta eat this. Let's eat this first. This is so much. This egg is super fluffy as well. Oh, and I got 2 rice. Woo. We had
I think we have 8 or
I don't even know how many trays of meat we had. We've been here for 1 hour now, and we are still packed with a lot of everything. The service here is great. The service here is great. They keep coming, asking what we need. They keep giving us stuff, refilling on everything we want. I love this place already. It has knocked out any other Samgyupsal places in Philippines for me. I recommend you come here. The Premier the Samgyupsal. It's a weird name. Premier the Samgyupsal. Here in BGC's one-stop center. It's right near St. Luke's. So if you're staying near St. Luke's, you're gonna love it. There's a busy line outside also. You can see this place is busy, so I would recommend you come here early and get some food in. I love it. As you can see, not a damn chance. We have finished a lot of food, and it's not even the 2-hour mark yet. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like, comment down below what you think or where I should go next. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. My name's Mark. Peace. I'm out.